The 120-degree gauge chart is like the 180-degree gauge chart, but there are some slight differences. As in the 180-degree gauge chart, create the percentage cell and hand and background columns. In the background column, write 240, 40, 40, and 40 respectively. And in the hand column, write 241.2 asterisk B1, 1, and 360 minus A6, minus A5, minus A4 respectively. Select the background column, then from the Insert menu, select the Donut Chart. Remove the chart title and legend. Double-click on the chart and in the Format Data Series, change the angle of first slice to 120. And decrease the hole size to make the chart more beautiful. Then select the blue part of the chart and select No Fill and No Outline for it. Then select the chart area and choose No Fill and No Outline for it. For drawing the hand, select the hand column and from the Insert menu, draw a pie chart. Remove the chart title and legend. Double-click on the chart and in the Format Data Series, change the angle of first slice to 120. Change the value of A6 to 10 to make it easier to work on the chart. Select the chart and at the Format ribbon, select No Fill for the Shape Fill and No Outline for the Shape Outline. Select the part of the chart that corresponds to cell A6. Then in the Format ribbon, select black color in the Shape Fill and Shape Outline. For better appearances, select an effect from Shape Effects. Now change the A6 value to 1 again. Select the chart area and select No Fill and No Outline for it. Then hold down the Control button and select the background and hand. In the Shape format, select Align Center and Align Middle in the Align menu. And select Group in the Group menu. With this method, a 120-degree gauge chart is drawn in which the hand changes as the background changes.